Mix coffee with alcohol and thank me. It's amazing! To start our tip today, in a container I will add 50 grams of soluble coffee. Then I will add the juice of a lime and then I will stir. The acidity of lime is crucial to the effectiveness of this tip, makes the mixture more potent. This recipe is amazing, make it at your house and then come back here to tell me if you had the expected result. Once that's done, I'll add 100 milliliters of water. Now I will add 200 milliliters of alcohol. It is the item that makes it possible to clean with this mixture. The result of this tip will surprise you. Next, I will add some cloves, but this part is optional. You can use the amount you prefer. Cloves bring a great aroma in all places that use this mixture, also acts perfectly avoiding the presence of flies and mosquitoes. Now I will stir everything very well with the help of a spoon until all the ingredients are mixed and joined. To facilitate the application, I will put all the mixture in a spray bottle, as well as controlling the amount of use and avoiding abuse. Using a funnel, I will put the liquid completely, and then we just need to close and apply the product. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Boran Ben from Tunisia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Done. This is ready our tip. Ideally, you should use it at least twice a week in every room that you feel is not so clean or even suffering from insects. For use, it is very simple, just applying the product directly and spreading with a cloth. Already I get the result of cleaning the area and leave a great aroma on the site. This tip became routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too, because in addition to being extremely effective, it is also very cheap and yields a lot. Because of this, my friends and family always ask me to teach how to make this tip. So amazing that the result. This tip is simply amazing. Do it in your home and then come back here to tell me if you had the expected result. Also tell me if you have any cleaning tips. I would love you to tell me. I perfectly use this mixture even in the kitchen, removing oil marks and stains on all items in my kitchen. This tip became one of the main cleaning items here at home since the first time I used it. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.